The Indian Premier League, also known as the IPL, is one of the most exciting and popular cricket leagues in the world. But how did it all begin? The IPL was founded in 2008 by the Board of Control for Cricket in India, also known as the BCCI. The idea for the league came from Lalit Modi, a former vice president of the BCCI, who saw an opportunity to create a professional 2020 cricket league in India. The concept of the IPL was inspired by the success of other sports leagues around the world, such as the English Premier League and the National Basketball Association. The BCCI saw an opportunity to create a similar league for cricket, which would bring together the best players from around the world and create a high-profile platform for the sport. The first step in creating the IPL was to establish a franchise system. 8 teams were formed, representing different cities in India. These teams were owned by some of India's biggest corporations and business tycoons, such as Reliance Industries and Vijay Mallya. The teams were then allowed to bid for players from around the world in an auction before the start of each season. This created a level playing field and allowed teams to build a squad that they felt could compete for the title. The inaugural season of the IPL was held in 2008 and was an instant success. The league drew large crowds and captured the attention of cricket fans around the world. The combination of high-quality cricket, international players, and a franchise system created a unique and exciting sporting experience. Over the years, the IPL has grown in popularity and become one of the most valuable cricket leagues in the world. It has also had a significant impact on the sport of cricket, influencing the way the game is played and marketed. Despite facing some controversies and challenges, the IPL continues to go from strength to strength. It has become a major force in the world of cricket and has played a significant role in the growth and development of the sport in India and around the world. The Indian Premier League is one of the most popular and exciting cricket leagues in the world. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how the IPL works. The IPL follows a franchise system where teams are owned by individuals or corporations. Currently, there are 10 teams in the IPL, and each team is based in a different city in India. Before the start of each season, there is a player auction where teams can bid for players from around the world. Each team has a budget to work with, and they must use their budget to build their team. The IPL follows a league format where each team plays a total of 14 matches in the group stage. The top 4 teams in the group stage advance to the playoffs. The playoffs consist of 3 stages: the Qualifier 1, the Eliminator, and the Qualifier 2. The winner of Qualifier 1 goes straight to the final, while the loser of Qualifier 1 plays against the winner of the Eliminator in Qualifier 2. The winner of Qualifier 2 goes to the final. The final is the ultimate showdown, where the 2 best teams in the league face off against each other. The team that wins the final is crowned the IPL champion. The IPL has several unique rules, such as a power play where only 2 fielders are allowed outside the inner circle, a strategic timeout, and a super over to decide the winner in case of a tie. The IPL generates revenue through several sources, including broadcasting rights, title sponsorship, franchise fees, merchandise sales, ticket sales, and sponsorship and advertising. Overall, the IPL is a high-profile and exciting cricket league that follows a franchise system and a league format. The league has a huge following and attracts some of the biggest cricket stars from around the world. The Indian Premier League, or IPL, is not only one of the most popular cricket leagues in the world, but it's also one of the most lucrative. So, how does the IPL generate money? The primary source of revenue for the IPL is broadcasting rights. The league attracts millions of viewers around the world, and broadcasters are willing to pay top dollar for the rights to televise matches. The broadcasting rights for the IPL are sold in packages, with the most recent deal being signed in 2018 for a whopping $2.55 billion. This deal was with Star India, who now has the exclusive rights to broadcast the IPL in India and around the world. Another significant source of revenue for the IPL is sponsorships. The league attracts a wide range of sponsors, including companies in the automotive, banking, and technology sectors. These companies pay large sums of money to be associated with the league and its teams. The IPL also generates money through ticket sales. The league draws large crowds, and tickets for matches are in high demand. The cost of tickets varies depending on the venue, the teams playing, and the stage of the tournament. Merchandise sales are also an important revenue stream for the IPL. Fans can purchase team jerseys, caps, and other items, which generate a significant amount of money for the league and its teams. The IPL also earns revenue through auctioning off the title sponsorship and team sponsorship rights. These rights include the naming of the league and the teams respectively. Finally, the IPL also earns money through licensing and franchising deals. This includes the use of the league's logo, team logos, and other intellectual property rights. Overall, the IPL's business model is built on a combination of broadcasting rights, sponsorships, ticket sales, merchandise sales, and licensing deals. The league's popularity and success have made it one of the most valuable sporting events in the world. The Indian Premier League, or IPL, has become one of the most successful and popular cricket leagues in the world. So, what is the secret to the IPL's success? One of the key factors behind the IPL's success is the league's ability to attract the best players from around the world. The league has become a magnet for international cricket stars who are drawn to the lucrative contracts on offer and the chance to play in front of huge crowds. The franchise system is another factor that has contributed to the IPL's success. The league's 8 teams are owned by some of India's biggest corporations and business tycoons who have invested heavily in their teams and created a competitive environment. The IPL has also been successful in creating a unique and exciting sporting experience. The league's fast-paced 2020 format and its use of technology, such as the decision review system and the use of microphones on the field, have made it a hit with fans around the world. The IPL has also been successful in marketing itself as more than just a cricket league. The league has become a cultural phenomenon in India, with Bollywood stars, business leaders, and politicians all getting involved. The IPL's success can also be attributed to its timing. The league takes place during the months of April and May, which is typically a slow period for sports in India. The IPL has filled this void, attracting a massive audience of sports fans who are hungry for entertainment. Finally, the IPL's success can be attributed to its ability to adapt and innovate. The league has introduced new rules and innovations, such as the use of a super over to decide tied matches, which have kept fans engaged and excited. Overall, the IPL's success is due to a combination of factors, including the league's ability to attract international talent, the franchise system, the unique sporting experience, the marketing, the timing of the league, and the ability to adapt and innovate.